Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to hide apps on your mobile phone without any third-party app. So there is no need to install any third-party app. Right within the phone settings, we can hide any of the app. For example, in this example, I'll hide this Instagram app on my phone. To do that, first click on your phone settings, then scroll down, and here you will see something like privacy. So tap on privacy, and here you will get two options: permissions and privacy. Tap on privacy here, privacy, okay. And here you will have a default option called hide apps, or if you don't find this option directly, you can click on the search bar and click on hide apps. In this way also you can navigate to this option. See here, hide apps. Okay, remember, if you don't find this option on your mobile, maybe that is because of the older version of Android. So this is on my Android 13, so the latest mobiles will have this feature. So once you click on this option, so tap on this option. Once you tap on this option, it will ask you for the phone password to enter. So you need to enter the pattern password. Yeah, I just gave the pattern password. And here, as I said in the example, I'll just hide Instagram app from my mobile. So just we need to enable that. Once we enable that, we need to set a passcode in the sense we hide this Instagram app. For example, if we want to access this Instagram, so we need to set a passcode. When you click on the settings option, your dial pad will open. So you need to enter something like hash 0000 hash, something like that, any of the code of your choice. You need to click on this tick symbol, click on done, and come to the home screen. I'll clear everything, and I'll see there is no Instagram app in the list of installed apps. So how can I access this? I just need to open my dialer app, and I need to click on the keypad, and here I need to give my passcode. See here, once I gave the passcode, Instagram is showing up here. So right on the list of the apps, Instagram is not available here. So this is how you can hide apps without any third party app on your mobile, right within the settings. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.